Yeah, lads.
Action.
So we're in the EVO, right? And it was a lovely day about 2 hours ago when we decided to go. We decided to set off. Well, we actually aimed to be on the road a lot earlier than this. But there were some external reasons why we're late. I think it's pretty obvious where I'm looking. And it's gone a little bit cloudy now. Now the plan is, we're going to drive and see Richard because Richard hasn't seen the EVO yet. He knows I've got one, but he's not seen it. And if you don't know who Richard is, Richard's like the most die-hard Subaru guy ever, right? And my plan is just to take the piss out of him a little bit. And I've said to him that I'm going to convert him to an EVO specialist. I'm going to go and see what his reaction is, see what he likes about it. And Richard's the sort of guy where he'll wear his heart on his sleeve. Like, if he doesn't like it, you can just see in his face. But he's not going to not like it because this car's 10 times better than a Subaru in every single way.
What?
Look at the motorway. Oh, for God's sake. It's bloody, it's chock-a-blocker. Now, the main reason we're going to see Richard is we've got loads of stuff in the boot because Richard always gives me, he always gives me shit every time I go, which is why I love him, which is why I'm a little bit upset about getting an EVO, so I don't have an EVO friend who gives me loads of free shit every time I go. Not yet anyway, we're on the search for one. Is that even on me, that camera? Amateurs, you can't get the staff nowadays, can you? No, we're not going to be Logan Paul vlogs anytime soon, are we? We don't fucking camera work. Right, I've spoke about these lights before. The most pointless thing, I know UK is a pretty pointless place in the world anyway, but look how pointless these lights are. Right, watch them, they'll go to green, and then watch, right, they'll go green, and they'll go straight back to red. Wow, yeah, now this had to stay on longer. Arseholes, thanks for cop blocking me. Yeah, Tals, we'll put that in your Beetle. Why would you want that in your Beetle?
Yeah.
So it might be fast then.
My Beetles are really fast.
Look out of Spitfire or something. We watched Dunkirk last night, it was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really good film. Look at the sheep. I know. Well, they're not getting killed, only getting the fur taken off, aren't they? Unless they're lamb. Why would the sheep get killed? Sheep don't get killed.
They do.
Why do they get killed? What do they get killed for? They get used for the fur. We don't eat them unless it's lamb. I literally just think like it's just people that annoy me. Like every time I get angry, it's always because of people.
Yeah, but do you not think
like
maybe you annoy something?
This is because of people.
Yeah, but you're contributing to this.
The world will just be better without people, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but I bet you annoy.
We need robots. That's what we need. We need more robots, more Lockwoods. And less people, that's what we need. Then the world will be a better place. Come on, woman, get the tunes on.
Oh yeah, but you just complain about my music all the time.
Alright, well, you DJ on my phone, that's a good compromise. If you're ever on the motorway and you get bored, a good game to play, we play this a lot, don't we?
Yeah.
I think we played it twice. Is have a look at the number plates of trucks and try and guess where they're from. So this one's got H. Now,
We make up our own answers.
yeah, I think we just guess really. I mean, the only logical one is Hungary. Like, isn't it? Hungary?
Yeah, but it could be Holland.
No, because Holland's the Netherlands, NL. Lockwood knows everything. Dude, you're not good at geography. What's the capital of Luxembourg? Luxembourg City!
Luxembourg is a country.
Yeah. Right, let's continue this game. What's the capital of America?
Washington DC.
Oh, Australia.
See, I should know this one because I'm from there, but I don't actually know. It's like, everybody thinks it's Sydney, but it's not Sydney.
It's not Sydney.
It's like one that...
Canberra. Portugal.
I don't know. Lisbon?
It is Lisbon, yeah.
Is it?
Let's just highlight some of the comments that I get after Taz been in the video. What does that say? I'm dying to know if she does anal. God, like, why are people so weird? Enemy territory.
Yeah.
Oh. I actually quite like this one. This one's cool. That's a well nice paint. Was it wrap? Can't tell. I think it's wrap actually. Richard?
Yeah?
I thought I'd bring you a nice car to look at for once.
I can hear it.
You can hear it? It's actually funny that because it's too quiet. But it's like listening to it here, it's actually not, is it?
Nah. How are you, mate? You okay?
Very well, very well.
So how's EVO?
So much better.
Is it?
Well, I might only say I'm not to work on it yet.
You gotta do it alright now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had a lot of people tell me to don't make it tacky. Like I did the Subaru. She was alright, wasn't she?
She was good.
She was good.
New home?
New home, yeah. It's nice.
Nice, isn't it?
It's nice.
Oh no, it's got me video saying it's nice.
Well, I was thinking, would it be really bad, you know, because I love you and stuff, Richard. Well, let me turn my lights off when my battery dies, that might be a good idea. Would it cause a lot of stick putting a flat 4 performance sticker on it? Because the world is not flat. The world, so the world isn't flat, Richard.
Flat?
Is the world flat?
Round.
So the world is not flat.
I'm not saying it.
I need to hear you say the world is not flat.
I'm not saying it. Clean that, isn't it?
It is very clean. Like the paint's really nice, isn't it? Off camera, Richard, I'll put the camera down, I'll make sure it's not recording. Okay, so it's not recording.
I like it.
Are they better than Subarus?
Well, I built one for a customer when I was at the old place with 2.35 in,
Right,
and it was 460 brake with 460 pounds foot.
right.
Rapid.
Rapid.
Yeah.
But are they better? Do you think
I just
they're
think
better?
I don't know. I've been in both. As a rally car, I'd say, yeah.
Yeah.
As a road car,
Hmm.
don't know. I don't know if I could live. It's just a different sound, isn't it?
Well, it's a good job we didn't say yes because I was recording.
You're right.
I'm only joking. No, you're a level-headed guy. You respect both of them, don't you?
I like it.
I don't know what them front tyres are about.
Yeah, I was going to ask you what's the rears.
I'd have no idea. I think they're cheap ones.
What are them? They look like hedge finders.
What did you say? FQ, so it's fucking quick. I didn't make that joke up, unfortunately. I stole that from another YouTuber. So, I mean, mod-wise, the only thing it's really got is a filter and that turbo timer inside, which is cool because it's got a boost gauge on it as well, which I only found out this morning. So where are they? Are they?
It's just there.
Oh, you bastard! Oh god, that's fucking hot.
Don't put your hand in it.
Oh yeah. Oh, easy then, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just 2 pipes and turbo.
So the only
exactly the same setup.
So all you need to do is just add another port going to the intake, or just block it off.
No, it'll be one off the actuator, yeah, one off the turbo.
One of that one on turbo and just blank the third one off. Because there's
yeah, or just leave it because it just tails away to
Oh, is it just got that? Oh right. I think we come at the right time with the butty woman. Right, there you go. Do you wanna choose what you want? So is it? Does it actually like track it, or has it just made it look like one?
No, I built it like that, yeah, to be.
Oh.
You do track it.
So it mainly is a road car, is it?
Yeah.
Shout out to this guy. Bloody hell. Just straight all the way through. Yeah. It's quite raspy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. Hey, what's it got?
I need to get a good thumbnail somewhere, but I don't know how I'm going to do it. It's not normally. What's normally here?
Aircon in.
Ah, right. 100 what? 40?
440, 440, I think it is.
Okay, now. So it's got, obviously that's the timer, so it's on 40 seconds at the minute. Boost,
Right.
which is in HKPA, which I've realised that when you convert, well, divide it by 100 and you get a bar.
Right.
But it's actually already in bar. Don't know what that is. Warning 1.45 so that's warning boost.
Yeah, so that's warning boost is 1.45, isn't it?
Right, so if it gets to that, it'll probably go
Beep
into
at
limp
you.
mode or so. Oh, well,
No, it'll just beep at you, because
just
that's
beep.
just a warning indicator, isn't it?
And then it's got a lap timer.
No way, that's cool.
That's cool, isn't it? I don't know what, another lap timer, and then off. So it's
It must be plugged in ECU.
ECU,
Mustn't
yeah.
it?
So we're moving all the cars around just so we can get a good thumbnail. You love the smell of fuel, don't you?
So nice.
Do you want one of these?
Yeah, I wouldn't say no.
You wouldn't say no. Oh, there's a
Yeah, the fuel.
oh right, yeah, that's probably why. Do you want me to bring it down?
She's sitting there,
I think the long way round. I'll just go the long way round. Well, there's fuel in that, isn't it? Woo! Right then, Richard. Thank you.
Take care. I'll see you soon.
We'll see you when I need some help on this. You excited to work on it?
I'm excited.
Are you excited?
Feeling in love with EVO.
It's easier than a boxer, isn't it?
We'll see.
We'll see. Hey, I'll come and I'll come when I'm painting my engine cover fluorescent pink.
Alright.
Well-
I'll take you in the red rocket.
Yeah, I need to do that. That's the BRZ if anybody doesn't know. Right.
Good fun.
See you later. Again, if anybody doesn't know Richard, that's Richard from Flatfold Performance. I absolutely love him. He's like one of my best friends. He's like the best contact I've ever made. He's absolutely awesome. Come on, reverse, stop cop blocking us. So we're dropping off a spare cat at someone's house. Look at all the fucking cars he's got on here. Absolutely insane. So a couple of funny things just happened. One, I seen a fellow EVO driver, and he was coming the other way, and I waved, and so to say I didn't get the response I usually get from Subaru guys. He basically just looked at me like I was
Freak.
a bit of a freak, yeah, a bit of a freak, and I felt very embarrassed. And the other thing, I've just had a very confrontational message, a very confrontational Instagram conversation with Ricky from Living Life Fast, who apparently I am the reason why his channel is getting reported and hundreds of people are messaging him saying he's childish and all this, and he especially goes, "Oi, dickhead," like we're about 18-year-olds in a local pub, kicking off of it because apparently I'm the reason he's getting reported. Sorry Ricky mate, but you just embarrassed yourself there a little bit. Like, don't speak to someone like that, especially when you're as old as you. Like, how fucking old you're in your 30s, mate. Like, it's a little bit pathetic, kicking off over Instagram. Hey dickhead, you got a problem. That's what you do when you're about 16. I didn't have anything to do with people reporting you, and if they did, that's nothing to do with me, mate. So I think you need to look elsewhere, lad.